Today we're talking about
جد جد. Don't confuse it with قد in Fusha, which indicates past tense or possibility. That's not what we're talking about today. The word ged I'm talking about today is a versatile word that is very common in Urban Hijazi as well as most of the Eastern Arabic dialects. Its basic meaning is the same size as, or as big as, or as small as. Let's take a look at an example where we use it when talking about things of the same size. يدي قد يدك. My hand is the same size as your hand. يدي قد يدك. So يدي means my hand. The word يد is hand, so يدي is my hand. قد is the same size as, and يدك is your hand. هذه الحديقة قد المول. This park is the same size as the mall. هذه الحديقة قد المول. هذه means this. You can also say دي الحديقة, so دي or هذه. الحديقة is the park. قد is the same size as. المول is the mall. المستودع قد هذه الغرفة. The storage room is the same size as this room. المستودع قد هذه الغرفة. So المستودع means the storage room. قد is the same size as. هذه is this. الغرفة is the room. So هذه الغرفة together means this room. As mentioned before, it can also be used when talking about people of the same age. For example, أنت قد أخويا الصغير. You're the same age as my younger brother. أنت قد أخويا الصغير. أنت is you, قد the same age as. أخويا is my brother. الصغير is the younger or the little. هو قد أخويا الكبير. He is the same age as my older brother. هو قد أخويا الكبير. هو means he. قد is the same age as. أخويا, my brother. الكبير is the big or the elder. أبويا قد أمي. أبويا قد أمي. My father is the same age as my mother. أبويا قد أمي. My أبويا is my father and أمي is my mother. أبويا قد أمي. قد can be combined with the word بعض, which means each other, and it becomes قد بعض. قد بعض, the same age as or the same size as each other. In English, it might be more natural to omit the each other part, but in Arabic, this is how we express it. قد بعض, the same age as each other. For example, أبويا وأمي قد بعض. My father and mother are the same age as each other. أبويا وأمي قد بعض. أبويا, my father. أمي, my mother. قد بعض is the same age as each other. السيارتين قد بعض. The two cars are the same size. السيارتين is the two cars. السيارة would be one car, the car, السيارة, and two cars, السيارتين. قد بعض is the same size as each other. اليابان والنرويج تقريبا قد بعض. Japan and Norway are almost the same size. اليابان والنرويج تقريبا قد بعض. اليابان is Japan, and Norway is Norway, and تقريبا means almost, and قد بعض is the same size. Combined with إيش, it becomes قديش, how much. But this isn't how much when asking about the price of something. This is how much when asking about something uncountable. Like قديش تبغى شوربة? How much soup do you want? قديش تبغى شوربة? So how much قديش تبغى is you want and شوربة means soup. قديش تحتاج فلوس? How much money do you need? قديش تحتاج فلوس؟ قديش how much تحتاج you need and فلوس is money. قديش عندنا وقت? How much time do we have? قديش عندنا وقت؟ قديش how much عندنا we have and وقت is time. قديش can also be used as a statement rather than a question, like in ما كنت أعرف قديش تبغى. I didn't know how much you wanted. ما كنت أعرف قديش تبغى. So ما كنت is I wasn't. أعرف is I know. And together ما كنت أعرف means I didn't know. قديش how much تبغى is you want. مو مهم قديش تدفع. It doesn't matter how much you pay. مو مهم قديش تدفع. مو مهم is not important. قديش is how much. تدفع is you pay. With ما, it becomes قد ما. And it means as much as. For example, ساعده قد ما تقدر. Help him as much as you can. ساعده قد ما تقدر. ساعده is help him. The O part in the end of the ساعده is him. So help without him would be ساعد. But help him is ساعده. قد ما as much as. تقدر is you can. هو يحبها قد ما هي تحبه. He loves her as much as she loves him. هو يحبها قد ما هي تحبه. هو يحبها is he loves her قد ما as much as هي تحبه. So هي تحبه is she loves him. هي تحب she loves and the O part is him. هي تحبه she loves him. And if you add على before قد ما you get على قد ما. And it also means as much as, but this is when it's followed by a but. For example, على قد ما نفسي أساعدك بس أنا مشغول. على قد ما نفسي أساعدك بس أنا مشغول. As much as I'd like to help you, but I'm busy. So على قد ما as much as نفسي أساعدك I'd like to help you. بس is but. أنا مشغول is I am busy. نفسي literally means myself, but it can be used to express that you want something. Click on this lesson to learn more about the many ways you use the word nafs. I'll see you there.